Let's be real about dropshipping in 2025. The game has changed. Forget what you thought you knew because the competition is absolutely fierce. Most people are flaming out because they're trying to sell the same tired junk that was a big deal. 3 years ago, they are stuck in a race to the bottom, watching their profit margins shrink and wondering why they can't make any real money. But while they're fighting for leftovers, a handful of smart dropshippers are quietly building their own empires. What's their secret? They're looking where nobody else is. They're focused on products that solve actual problems, tap into massive cultural shifts, and most importantly, have huge profit potential. These aren't just gadgets, they're products that help people feel healthier, more productive, or more connected. Are you tired of seeing the same saturated products everywhere? You know, the ones every guru was pushing 6 months ago. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on 5 untapped winning products for 2025 that you haven't seen a million times. We're talking about viral trends and even some high-ticket items with insane profit potential. And you'll want to stick around because I've saved the most profitable high-ticket category for last. For everyone who makes it to the end, I'll be sharing my exclusive list of supplier ideas for these niches completely free. Now let's jump into the first one. Kicking things off at number 5, we have a niche that isn't just a trend, it's a full-blown movement: eco-friendly and sustainable products. The problem it solves is simple. Consumers, especially millennials and Gen Z, are more conscious than ever about their environmental footprint. They are actively trying to ditch single-use plastics and wasteful products. In fact, studies show a huge chunk of consumers globally have shifted their buying habits to be more sustainable, and a lot of them are willing to pay more for green options. This is where you come in. Instead of peddling cheap plastic junk, you can build a brand that people actually feel good about supporting. This market is just bursting with opportunity. And think beyond reusable straws. We're talking about products like reusable silicone storage bags, eco-friendly fitness gear made from recycled materials, and even biodegradable pet products. There are some really cool innovations like wooden cutlery that gives a premium, modern vibe, or smart packaging that tells you how fresh your food is to help cut down on waste. Let's run the numbers on a hot item, a set of high-quality, reusable food storage bags. You can source a set for around $4 to $6. With a strong green branding angle, you could easily sell it for $29.99. After your product cost, you're looking at a potential profit of over $23 on a single sale. The trick is to market the value and the lifestyle, not just the product. You're selling a solution to something your customers genuinely care about, and that's how you build a loyal base that keeps coming back. Next up, at number 4, we're solving one of the biggest headaches for new dropshippers: inventory risk. We've all been there. You find a product you think is a winner, you pour money into ads, and nothing. Now you're stuck with stuff you can't sell. The answer is print on demand or pod. This model is a golden opportunity for 2025 because it completely wipes out inventory risk while feeding the massive consumer craving for personalization. With POD, you only make what you sell. A customer orders, and your supplier prints your custom design on the item and ships it for you. The global market for personalized goods is exploding because people want stuff that screams them. And we're not just talking about basic t-shirts, although they're still a solid play. The real money is in untapped pod products, custom phone cases, monogrammed tote bags, unique wall art, or even personalized pet gear, like custom collars and pet portraits. A phone case is basically a billboard someone carries around all day. It's no surprise that the demand for these is growing like crazy. The numbers are just wild. A custom phone case might cost you $5 from a pod supplier. You can sell that for $24.95 all day, every day. That's a nearly $20 profit margin with $0 spent up front on inventory. You can create designs for super passionate niches, gamers, book lovers, fans of a specific dog breed, and market right to them. That's how you build a real brand, not just a store. Coming in hot at number 3 is a niche that's not only timeless, but is also on fire with viral problem-solving products, beauty and personal care. This one's a no-brainer because it solves a universal problem. Everyone wants to look and feel their best. This industry is always changing, and consumers are constantly on the hunt for the next big thing. The market is absolutely massive, with projections showing it will be worth nearly $1 trillion by 2032. Don't even think about trying to compete with the drugstore giants. The key is to find niche, problem-solving products that are practically made for platforms like TikTok. You want that wow factor. For instance, hydrocolloid pimple patches that show you the gunk they pulled out overnight are a viral sensation. Heatless hair curling sets that deliver perfect curls without any damage are another huge trend, with that specific market projected to hit nearly $260 million by 2032. And thanks to the K-beauty wave, snail mucin serums have become a cult favorite for their insane hydrating power. These products are visual, they're easy to demonstrate, and they offer a clear fix to a common frustration. Take the pimple patches. You can source a pack of 40 for about $1.50. Online, they're selling for $15, even $20. That's a potential profit of over $13 on a tiny, lightweight product that's cheap to ship. You can market these with before and afters, user videos, and influencer shout-outs to build insane social proof and trigger those impulse buys. All right, we're past the halfway mark, and the next two products are where the really serious money is. If you're getting any value out of this, do me a quick favor and smash that like button and subscribe. The next category is an evergreen niche with constant new gadgets, and our number one spot is all about the high-ticket items that can completely change your business. You're not going to want to miss this. Our number two spot belongs to a category that's a guaranteed winner year after year: trending electronics and smart devices. The problem this solves is that deep down human desire for more convenience, entertainment, and efficiency. Technology moves at warp speed, and people are always on the lookout for the latest gadgets to make their lives easier. This isn't just a niche, it's a monster. The entire consumer electronics industry is projected to soar past $1.7 trillion by 2028. Now, the secret isn't trying to dropship iPhones. It's about finding those specific problem-solving gadgets that are perfect for this business model. Think about portable, waterproof Bluetooth speakers for outdoor adventures, or smart home devices like universal AC controllers and security cameras that simplify life. One of the hottest trends right now is gaming accessories. With esports blowing up, products like wireless gaming headsets are flying off the virtual shelves. Let's use a portable Bluetooth speaker as an example. You can source a quality, waterproof model for about $15. With some slick branding that highlights its durability and awesome sound for parties or travel, you can sell it for $49.99. That leaves you with a profit margin of around $35 per unit. The profit margins on electronics can be lower, but the huge demand and high perceived value more than make up for it. Marketing these products is all about showing the lifestyle they unlock: that epic pool party, the seamless smart home, or that immersive gaming marathon. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. The number one winning product category for 2025, the one that can truly revolutionize your finances, is high-ticket home and fitness equipment. Let's face it, the biggest problem for most dropshippers is painfully low profit margins. You can sell hundreds of cheap items and still barely scrape by after ad costs. It feels like you're just spinning your wheels. The solution? Stop selling low-ticket trinkets and start focusing on high-ticket products. High-ticket dropshipping means selling premium products for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This translates to fatter profit margins, way less competition, and a business that can actually scale. Two of the absolute best high-ticket niches are home goods and fitness. People are investing more in their homes and their health than ever before. The home fitness equipment market alone is expected to be a multi-billion-dollar industry in 2025. Forget dumbbells, think bigger. We're talking about smart home gym systems, commercial-grade massage chairs, or premium espresso machines. Another super profitable area is luxury furniture, like ergonomic office chairs that tap into the massive remote work trend. A perfect example of a killer high-ticket product is a high-tech massage chair. You could source one for $800 from a solid supplier, but because you're targeting a luxury market that sees its value, you could sell it for $1,999 or more. That's a profit of over $1,000 from a single sale. Yes, it takes more sophisticated marketing and top-notch customer service, but the reward is exponentially greater. One of those sales could be worth more than 100 sales of a cheap gadget. So there you have it, 5 untapped winning product categories for 2025 that will help you blow past the competition. We've covered eco-friendly products for the conscious buyer, print on demand for zero-risk branding, viral beauty and personal care items, in-demand electronics and smart devices, and the absolute game-changer high-ticket home and fitness equipment. Here's the main takeaway: stop chasing the same old saturated trends. The real money is in finding products that solve a real problem, connect with a growing movement, and have healthy profit margins. The dropshipping game in 2025 will be won by those who get ahead of the curve, not those who just follow the herd. Now it's your turn. Which of these product ideas was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Go grab it, take action, and start building your dropshipping empire today.